I'm Scott Castleman, owner of Caring Transitions of West Fairfax. If you've ever helped a parent or a loved one move into a senior community and downsize from a forever home, you know that this is not like a normal move. These late life transitions can be overwhelming and full of emotion, anxiety, grief, possibly even fear. What do you do with decades of possessions? What's going to fit in the new apartment? How do you navigate all the move-in rules for the senior community? How are you going to get it all unpacked and set up in a single day in your parents' home, new home? Questions like these are very, very common. While situations are all, of course, very unique, there are some general approaches and perspectives, a few tips and tricks that we've learned along the way as well. And we'll be releasing more videos on this channel addressing as many different situations over time as we can. That's why we do what we do. We are hired by seniors or their families who are overwhelmed by big life transitions like downsizing, decluttering, moving, or even clearing out an estate, so they don't have to go through it alone.